Hey, we're out here on site today with this landscape renovation project. We got this gorgeous older home, just like most homes its age, and needs an updated front entrance. We're gonna come in here with some lower maintenance options and give it some distinctive curb appeal. Let's get started. So a classic case of this failing concrete sidewalk due to freezing and thawing or snow and ice buildup over the years. We've got some negative pitch causing standing water and ice in the springtime months. So we're gonna remedy this by tearing out this concrete, bringing it up to the grade it needs to be at, and making it permeable to allow all the water and ice to drain straight through. And then we're gonna take care of this high maintenance wood with a retaining wall block and cap and a paver landing. And then we're also gonna come in here and renovate these landscape beds with some new, fresh greenery for the scenery. So we got the old concrete sidewalk removed. We got the wooden landing taken out. We've tore out all the shrubs that are going to be taken out on this job. And we've excavated in order to put in our 6 to 8 inches of permeable base. The renovation remedy is complete and we're ready to walk you through it. So starting up here by the front door, we removed the old painted wood porch floor. We brought in retaining wall block and cap to form this step. Behind the step, we fill in with a compacted, crushed aggregate to lay our paver floor on. So stepping down out of the porch, we were able to remove the old, failing concrete walkway and replace it with this permeable paver system. So permeable paving means the water drains through these joints and percolates through our stone reservoir back into the ground. Adding some distinctive details to the walkway, we were able to incorporate this low seating wall anchored by this large accent boulder. We added some low voltage lighting under the caps and along the pathway to light up this outdoor space. Adding another large accent boulder on this end of the walkway, we scribed our pavers around it and it provides a natural seating area. We redefined the plant space, took out the old overgrown shrubbery and brought in some new greenery for the scenery. As you can see, the benefits of updating your front entrance landscaping are numerous, from curb appeal to first impressions to even adding value to your home. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this episode of Hometown Hardscapes, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are capturing content on our sites daily, and we will be releasing new videos over the next few months.